Hi, I'm Jamie Giroux. I'm a researcher at the School of Education and Human Development at the University of Virginia. Thanks for watching this video to learn more about our project, Curiosity in Classrooms. This video is intended to give you just a little bit more information about what we're doing and why, what it looks like in practice, and what we'll learn from that, so that you can decide whether or not you'd like more information to consider participating. You can see here the collaborators on this work from the University of Virginia and Virginia Commonwealth University, both in schools of education and in departments of psychology, as well as our funders, the Templeton Foundation and the Jacobs Foundation. So in this project, we have a lot of goals and a lot of questions, but our overarching aim is to just explore and figure out what instructional practices promote curiosity in students. And we have a lot of ideas based on prior research about what these look like, but a lot of that research hasn't been done in schools. So we want to go into real classrooms and talk to real teachers and really figure out what are they doing that's effective in promoting curiosity, because this curiosity helps to promote deeper, more meaningful learning in students and makes learning more fun. And when students are curious, it's more fun to teach them as well. We're also interested from a developmental point of view, what these patterns of associations between different intellectual virtues like curiosity and creativity look like across time and in response to these different instructional practices. So I'm going to talk just a little bit about what we're asking from teachers and from our child or student participants. Participation at the teacher level, if teachers decide to participate, they'll sign a consent form, and then we're hoping that they'll work with us to do classroom observations, as well as consider talking to us to tell us one-on-one what they're doing to promote curiosity, the role that curiosity is playing in their students' learning, and kind of what this looks like in practice. So we have options for an interview and a survey. And of course, for all of these activities, we do provide compensation and recognition that teachers are giving us their time, and we want to compensate them fairly for that. And then we also recognize that we need teachers' help for coming in and collecting data with students. And so that's included as well in our package here. For the students themselves, we're hoping to collect data at 2 time points, and we have 2 types of data that we'd like to collect. One of these is a survey, and we do this as a whole class or in small groups on computers, and it's pretty quick and easy. It's run through Qualtrics, and it has audio to help students who might have challenge reading. And then we also have pull-out sessions that are one-on-one where we play games with children, and the children find them engaging and fun, and we get to see kind of how curious they are in real world contexts and settings as opposed to the self-report survey. From what we learned, we'll be providing reports back to the schools and the district that are kind of at the group level just to describe what we've learned. And we'll also give a presentation that incorporates all of our past research and our information that we're learning across all of the different participating schools. And that will eventually be turned into professional development, which will be made available for all participating districts. Just to show you a little bit more about what the student participation looks like, you can see here a picture of what our survey looks like, and also some of those games that children are playing, which are sometimes on a computer where they're exploring and learning about different topics, or exploring in more open-ended contexts, as well as some drawing and verbal tasks where they're sharing their ideas and thoughts with us. I want to reassure everyone that we are very careful about keeping confidentiality for all data collected, and we report group level patterns as opposed to individual scores. So we would not be able to tell anybody about any individual child's performance on these tasks. We only look across all children at how they're responding to the survey items and how they're performing on those games. And we will provide, again, that report back to schools to say what we're learning from this work. And we'll do that at several points as we get more and more into the data and collect more data and learn more. We'll continue to send updated reports. And we also will send our published articles that we put out in journals and links to anything that we publish online, such as through educator blogs and other resources. So I know that was a lot of information, but we do have much more. If you have any questions, please reach out. I know that this is an important decision to partner with us in this research, and we would love to have you. So we're happy to answer any questions you have or provide any other information that would be helpful in your decision making. Thank you so much for your time.